A day of devastation. The Disa warehouse explosion. The peaceful morning of April 1st, 2025, was shattered by a deafening roar in Disa, a bustling town in Gujarat's Banaskantha district. At approximately 9:45 a.m., a firecracker warehouse located in the heart of the town exploded with tremendous force, sending shockwaves through the surrounding area. The explosion left behind a scene of utter devastation, reducing the warehouse to rubble and showering the vicinity with debris. The air was thick with smoke and dust, making it difficult for rescue workers to reach the site and assess the damage. As the dust settled, the true extent of the tragedy became horrifyingly clear. 21 innocent lives were lost in the explosion, their dreams and aspirations extinguished in a flash. Many victims were crushed under the weight of the collapsing roof, a grim testament to the sheer power of the blast. 6 individuals managed to escape the inferno with their lives, but they bore the physical and emotional scars of the traumatic event. The Disa warehouse explosion served as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences that can arise from negligence and a disregard for safety regulations. Unveiling the catalyst forensic insights into the blast. In the wake of the devastating explosion, forensic experts descended upon the site, as per the provisions of Section 176(3) BNSS, determined to uncover the truth behind the tragedy. The Section 176(3) of BNSS makes it mandatory for a forensic expert to visit any scene of crime of any heinous offense punishable for 7 years of imprisonment and above, along with the police officials. Their meticulous investigation revealed that the primary cause of the explosion was the presence of a highly volatile substance, aluminum powder. Aluminum powder, when finely ground and exposed to an ignition source, can combust rapidly, producing a massive amount of energy in a short period. This rapid release of energy creates a powerful shockwave, resulting in an explosion. The forensic team discovered a significant quantity of aluminum powder stored within the warehouse, far exceeding the permissible limits for safe storage. Further investigation revealed that the aluminum powder was ignited by an explosion in a boiler located within the warehouse. The boiler explosion likely generated enough heat and energy to set off the aluminum powder, triggering a chain reaction that led to the catastrophic blast. The shadow of illegality, expired licenses, and unlawful activities. As investigators delved deeper into the circumstances surrounding the Disa warehouse explosion, a pattern of negligence and disregard for safety regulations emerged. The warehouse's license to store firecrackers had expired on December 31st, 2024, almost 4 months before the tragic incident. Despite operating without a valid license, the warehouse continued to store a substantial quantity of explosive materials, including the aluminum powder that ultimately proved fatal. Furthermore, there were strong suspicions that the warehouse was engaged in the illegal manufacturing of firecrackers. Investigators discovered evidence of firecracker manufacturing equipment and materials on site, suggesting that the warehouse owners were involved in activities beyond the scope of their expired license. This action is punishable under Section 9(b) of Explosive Act 1884, which penalizes the illegal manufacturing of explosive substances. This disregard for legal and safety protocols raised serious concerns about the owner's commitment to ensuring the well-being of their workers and the surrounding community. Justice in motion, legal proceedings, and the pursuit of accountability. In the aftermath of the Disa warehouse explosion, authorities swiftly moved to hold those responsible accountable for the tragic loss of life. The warehouse owners, Deepak Monani and Kubchan Monani, were arrested and taken into custody. They faced serious charges, including culpable homicide not amounting to murder, Section 105 BNS, a grave offense under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder applies to cases where an individual's actions, while not directly intended to cause death, are so negligent and reckless that they result in the loss of life. Given the owner's blatant disregard for safety regulations, their expired license, and the suspicion of illegal activities, the authorities deemed their actions to be criminally negligent, warranting legal action as per Section 106 BNS. Section 3(5) BNS was also applied on all individuals involved. Unraveling the truth. The Special Investigation Team's crucial role. To ensure a thorough and impartial investigation into the DISA warehouse explosion, Range IG Chirag Karadia took the decisive step of forming a special investigation team. The investigation was carried out as per the provisions under Section 194 BNSS. This 5-member team, comprising seasoned investigators, was tasked with uncovering the intricate details of the incident and identifying any systemic failures that may have contributed to the tragedy. The SIT adopted a multi-pronged approach to their investigation, recognizing that the explosion was not merely an isolated incident, but likely the result of a complex interplay of factors. They focused on gathering evidence related to the warehouse owner's business practices, their compliance with safety regulations, and any potential criminal negligence that may have played a role in the events leading up to the explosion.